On freight locomotives. America is a massive country. Moving goods from one side of the nation to the other requires enormous transportation systems, and one of the most important is the railroad. Modern freight locomotives can produce thousands of horsepower and pull trains stretching more than a mile long. They transport everything from grain and coal to automobiles, steel, chemicals, and shipping containers. Unlike a truck, a single locomotive can move massive amounts of cargo across thousands of miles. Many freight trains use multiple locomotives working together. These machines help connect ports, factories, farms, mines, and distribution centers across the United States. Without freight locomotives, the American supply chain would be slower, more expensive, and far less efficient. 2. Power plant turbines. Almost everything in modern America depends on electricity. Homes, hospitals, factories, data centers, airports, and businesses all need power. And at the center of many power plants are massive turbines. In natural gas and coal power plants, hot gases or steam spin turbine blades at extremely high speeds. In nuclear power plants, heat creates steam that turns giant turbine systems. Hydroelectric dams use flowing water to rotate turbines. The turbine then drives a generator, converting mechanical energy into electricity. These machines can operate continuously for years. Every time you turn on a light, charge your phone, or start a computer, machines like these may be helping provide the electricity you use. 3. Ultra class. Mining trucks before buildings, roads, vehicles, and power systems can be built. Raw materials must be extracted from the ground. That's where giant mining trucks come in. Some of the world's largest haul trucks operate in American mines. These machines can carry hundreds of tons of material in a single trip. Their tires can be taller than an average person. Their engines can produce thousands of horsepower, and their massive dump beds are designed to carry rock, ore, and other materials from mining sites to crushers and processing facilities. They may not travel on public roads, but their work supports almost every major industry in the country. From construction materials to metals used in electronics and transportation, modern America depends heavily on mining machines. 4. Hydraulic excavators. If America is building something massive, there's usually an excavator nearby. Hydraulic excavators are some of the most versatile machines ever created. They can dig foundations, trenches, tunnels, roads, and large construction sites. Their boom, arm, and bucket can be controlled with incredible precision. But the real power comes from hydraulics. Pressurized hydraulic fluid allows the machine to generate enormous digging forces. Small excavators can work in residential areas. Large excavators can move thousands of tons of earth every day. They help build highways, airports, bridges, pipelines, dams, and entire neighborhoods. Without excavators, many of America's largest construction projects would take dramatically longer to complete. 5. Asphalt. Pavers America has millions of miles of roads and highways. Maintaining this enormous network requires specialized machines. One of the most important is the asphalt paver. The process begins when a dump truck delivers hot asphalt to the paver. The machine then spreads the asphalt across the road in a controlled layer. A large screed at the rear helps create a smooth and consistent surface. After the paver finishes, rollers compact the asphalt to create a strong road surface. These machines work on highways, city streets, airport runways, bridges, and parking areas. Every time you drive across a smooth road, there is a good chance an asphalt paver helped create it. 6. Tower cranes. America's cities are constantly changing. Skyscrapers, factories, hospitals, stadiums, and bridges are built every year, and many of these projects depend on tower cranes. A tower crane can lift massive loads hundreds of feet into the air. Its long horizontal boom can move steel beams, concrete components, glass panels, and heavy equipment across a construction site. As a building grows taller, the crane may also be extended upward. Some tower cranes remain on a single project for months or even years. They are essentially the heavy lifting systems of modern construction. Without them, building America's tallest structures would be far more difficult. 7. Container cranes. A huge portion of America's economy depends on goods arriving through ports. Cars, electronics, machinery, clothing, furniture, and countless other products travel inside shipping containers. When massive container ships arrive at American ports, giant ship-to-shore cranes unload them. These cranes can lift containers weighing many tons and move them from ships to trucks or trains. Some container ships carry thousands of containers. Without these massive cranes, unloading a single ship could take an incredibly long time. Container cranes are a critical connection between global manufacturing and American consumers. 8. Utility bucket trucks. Electricity is only useful if it can reach homes and businesses. And when power lines are damaged, utility bucket trucks become extremely important. These vehicles use hydraulic booms to lift workers high above the ground. They are used to repair power lines, maintain streetlights, trim trees, and restore electricity. During hurricanes, tornadoes, ice storms, and other disasters, utility crews often work around the clock. Bucket trucks allow workers to reach damaged infrastructure quickly and safely. When an entire neighborhood loses power, these vehicles can be part of the process that brings the lights back on. 9. Garbage trucks. One of the most important machines in America is also one of the most overlooked, the garbage truck. Every day, millions of homes, businesses, restaurants, and factories produce waste. Garbage trucks collect it and transport it to landfills, recycling facilities, and processing centers. Modern garbage trucks often use hydraulic systems to automatically lift and empty large waste containers. Some vehicles are designed for household waste. Others handle recycling, construction debris, organic materials, or specialized waste. Without regular waste collection, cities would quickly face serious sanitation problems. These machines may not look as impressive as a giant mining truck, but they perform one of the most essential jobs in modern society. 10. Emergency fire and rescue vehicles. The final machines on our list are the vehicles that respond when everything goes wrong. Fire trucks and rescue vehicles are designed to reach emergencies quickly and operate in dangerous conditions. Fire engines carry water, pumps, hoses, breathing equipment, and rescue tools. Ladder trucks can reach the upper floors of tall buildings. Specialized rescue vehicles respond to vehicle accidents, industrial incidents, wildfires, hazardous materials, and other emergencies. Some are designed for airports. Others are built for forests, cities, or industrial facilities. When disaster strikes, these machines become mobile emergency bases. Their equipment allows firefighters and rescue crews to fight fires, rescue victims, and provide critical assistance. From the power plants generating electricity to the locomotives moving cargo across the country, from mining trucks extracting raw materials to excavators and cranes building America's future, and from garbage trucks keeping cities clean to emergency vehicles responding when people need help. These machines form the hidden mechanical backbone of America. Most people rarely think about them, but every day they are working somewhere, moving, digging, lifting, transporting, building, and keeping the country moving forward. Modern America doesn't run on machines alone, but without these machines, modern America simply couldn't function. Which machine do you think is the most important one on this list? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Motor Vehicle Explained for more powerful machines, vehicles, and engineering explained.